Hey, unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware of the immense benefits that automated social media posting has for business owners globally. Whether you're looking to reach large audiences, making long-term direct connections with your audience, creating organic content, or building your brand, automated social media posting is something that business owners can't take for granted. Still unsure? Check out these mind-blowing stats that'll leave you completely amazed. More than 47% of marketers use social media automation to perform their marketing tasks at the start of 2023. Over 4.74 billion people across the world use social media. People spend a bare minimum of 2.5 hours daily on social media platforms. 90% of brands are looking to build brand awareness through social media. Ad spending on social media is projected to reach over $268 billion in 2023. 71% of consumers who have had a positive experience with a brand on social media will recommend the brand to their friends and family. The average user will visit 7 social media platforms each month. Now, it's safe to say that using automated social media posting is the #1 way to reach out to your audience and get higher traction for offers is not an option. I know you've already started building castles in air, but wait a minute. It's not all that easy as you're thinking. There are some big problems that you have to encounter. Creating engaging content for social media platforms is a tiring and cumbersome process. Managing multiple social media accounts takes tons of time and effort. Hiring social media managers is way more expensive and doesn't yield the results that you're looking for. Targeting the right platforms and audience for maximum engagement is a difficult task. Keeping up with the ever-changing social media strategies isn't a cup of tea for everyone. Falling engagement rates and fewer post interactions is also a big roadblock for every marketer. And you know what? Even after all that, there's no guarantee that you'll get the best results from your social media marketing activities. Now just imagine, what if you got your hands on an artificial intelligence-based social media posting technology that does everything for you even when you're on the go. And the coolest part is, you literally don't need to lift a finger, as this artificial intelligence technology does everything in 3 easy clicks. Proudly presenting Viral Dashboard, world's first AI app that creates and publishes engaging social media content across major social media networks and drives massive traffic, engagement, and sales. Viral Dashboard is your one-stop dashboard for social media management, automation marketing, and business growth. After using 2 years of Viral Dashboard in business, we have generated thousands of leads each month without spending on ads. On top of that, we gained 30,000 followers with it. All you need is to follow 4 easy steps. Step 1. Create brand and connect your social media channels and sources. Step 2. Find and discover new content or create content using AI or Content Calendar or using our DFY templates. Step 3. Publish and schedule content or use automation triggers to automate it. Step 4. Get sales, traffic, and track analytics and build reports. And that's it. You're all set to manage all your social media platforms with full ease and convenience. Here are some of its amazing features. Generate eye-catchy social media content for 30 days within a few clicks of your mouse. Use Never Released Before App Designer to instantly create stunning social media graphics and ads for countless niches like a pro. Create mind-blowing Instagram stories and reels with no third-party dependency. Publish mind-blowing content on Telegram from right inside your Viral Dashboard account. Connect and manage as many social accounts and channels as you want and save hours of your precious time. Never before seen artificial intelligence, AI, technology to find and sort only the best content for social media platforms. Compose and publish engaging content for all social media platforms with zero fuss. Automate your marketing using automation triggers to post and schedule content from your sources to social media channels. Gain followers and traffic and analyze and build the reports, users' demographics inside dashboard. Manage all your posts, brands, and sources in one place. Get flexible scheduling and publishing options so you can share your content in the most effective way. Powerful spy tool that keeps track of the competitor's social media activities, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy. Now, if you grab your copy during this limited time launch offer, you get premium bonuses that are priceless for free. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. And with our rock-solid 30-day guarantee, there's no risk whatsoever attached. Take my word, this is truly a game changer, and there is nothing like this out there at such a low price. But here's a fair warning. Once this special time period gets over, Viral Dashboard will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab your copy today at the lowest price ever. Hit the button below to get instant access to Viral Dashboard today. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.